Ever felt like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Stuck navigating a maze of paperwork just to open a simple account? Maybe you're new to Canada and the whole financial system seems like a foreign language. If you answered yes to any of these, then KOHO might be the answer you've been looking for. But before we dive in, there's a burning question. Is KOHO just a Canadian thing? The short answer? Yes, for now at least. KOHO is a Canadian fintech company, which means they use technology to offer financial services. They're all about making money management easier and more accessible, especially for Canadians. But let's unpack why KOHO is currently Canada only and explore what it has to offer. Imagine a world where your bank account is actually a sleek app on your phone. No more waiting in line or deciphering cryptic bank statements. That's the beauty of KOHO. It's a spending and savings account rolled into one, complete with a prepaid MasterCard. You can think of it as a supercharged debit card that lets you spend, save, and track your finances with ease. Here's the kicker: there are no monthly fees. No minimum balance headaches. KOHO is all about transparency, so you can ditch the fine print and focus on what matters, your money. So how does it work? Signing up is a breeze. Download the app, provide some basic info, and voila! You're ready to start managing your money like a pro. KOHO gives you a virtual card right away, so you can start shopping online instantly. The physical card arrives in the mail shortly after, letting you swipe and spend at millions of locations worldwide. But KOHO isn't just about convenience. They've got your back when it comes to saving too. Every dollar you deposit earns interest, which might not sound like much, but it all adds up. Plus, KOHO rewards you for being a smart spender with their cashback program. Every time you use your KOHO card at certain retailers, you earn a little something extra. It's like getting paid to buy groceries. Now, the fact that KOHO is Canadian-based might have you wondering if you can use it abroad. The good news is, the KOHO MasterCard is accepted in over 210 countries. However, there are a few exceptions, so it's always a good idea to check their website before you travel. While KOHO is currently limited to Canada, their mission is to empower all Canadians with a better financial future. They're constantly innovating and expanding their features, so who knows, maybe someday KOHO will be a global phenomenon. But in the meantime, if you're in Canada and looking for a no-nonsense way to manage your money, KOHO is definitely worth checking out. It's a user-friendly platform with a focus on transparency and saving. Plus, who can resist the allure of earning cash back while you shop? So, is KOHO right for you? Well, that depends on your financial situation and needs. But if you're tired of traditional banking and want a more modern approach, KOHO could be a game changer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.